Did you know that 75% of resumes are never seen by human eyes? They're stopped in their tracks by applicant tracking systems, or ATS, the invisible gatekeepers of today's job market. But what if your resume could slice through these digital filters and land you directly in front of recruiters? ATS-friendly resumes are designed for both technology and humans. The secret lies in combining keyword alignment with clarity and simplicity. That means ditching fancy graphics and focusing on well-organized sections, keyword-rich phrasing, and straightforward fonts. For example, use clear titles like professional experience or skills. Tailor your resume keywords to match the specific job description. ATS software scans for these terms, and missing the right ones can mean automatic rejection. Another critical step: save your resume as a plain Word document or PDF, avoiding tables, headers, or footers that can scramble your data. Numbers matter too. Quantify your impact with data-driven results, like increased sales by 20% or managed a team of 5. This not only appeals to algorithms, but makes human readers take notice. Remember, passing the ATS isn't about gaming the system. It's about showing you speak the employer's language and can deliver results. A resume built for both bots and people won't just pass, it will stand out. So ask yourself, is your resume ready to cross the digital divide and get noticed?